Alright, picture this. You've just moved to a new place, or maybe you're finally ditching that old, clunky internet and phone setup. You're ready for a fresh start, and you've heard Rogers is the way to go. But how exactly do you start? How do you actually open a Rogers account? Does it involve complicated forms, endless phone calls, and deciphering tech jargon? Are you going to be trapped in a maze of options, wondering if you're making the right choice? If those questions are swirling in your head, you're in the right place. Because let's face it, getting set up with a new service provider can feel like navigating a labyrinth. You want simplicity, you want clarity, and you want to know you're getting the best deal for your needs. We're going to cut through the confusion and walk you through the entire process of opening a Rogers account, step by step. We'll cover everything from figuring out what services you need, to choosing the right plan, and finally, getting everything installed and running smoothly. So, buckle up, grab a notepad if you need it, and let's dive in. First things first, what services are you looking for? Rogers offers a wide range of options, including internet, cable television, home phone, and wireless mobile plans. It's crucial to figure out which of these you actually need. Are you a cord cutter who relies solely on streaming services? Then you might only need internet. Do you still prefer the comfort of traditional cable TV? Or are you looking for a comprehensive bundle that includes everything? Take a moment to assess your needs. Consider your lifestyle, your budget, and what's essential for you. Do you work from home and require high-speed internet? Are you a gamer who needs low latency and high bandwidth? Or maybe you just need a basic internet package for casual browsing and email. Once you've nailed down the services you need, it's time to explore the different plans Rogers offers. This is where things can get a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down. Rogers categorizes its plans based on speed, data usage, and features. For internet, you'll find options ranging from basic plans for light users to ultra-fast plans for heavy streamers and gamers. For cable TV, you'll find packages with varying channel lineups and add-on options like premium channels and sports packages. For mobile, you'll have to consider data limits, talk and text options, and whether you want to bring your own device or get a new one. The best way to navigate these options is to visit the Rogers website. They have a user-friendly interface that allows you to compare plans and see what's included in each package. Pay close attention to the fine print, including any promotional offers, contract terms, and potential fees. Don't be afraid to use the chat support or call Rogers directly to ask questions. Their representatives can provide personalized recommendations based on your specific needs and budget. Now, let's talk about the actual process of opening an account. You have a few options. You can do it online, over the phone, or in person at a Rogers store. Opening an account online is often the most convenient option. You can browse plans, compare prices, and complete the entire process from the comfort of your own home. Simply visit the Rogers website, select the services you want, and follow the prompts. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. You may also need to provide your credit card information for billing purposes. If you prefer to speak with a representative, you can call Rogers directly. They'll guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. This is a good option if you're unsure about which plan to choose or if you have any specific requirements. Finally, you can visit a Rogers store in person. This is a great option if you want to see the equipment firsthand or if you prefer face-to-face interaction. The store representatives can help you choose the right plan, set up your account, and even schedule installation. Regardless of which method you choose, be prepared to provide some essential information. This includes your full name, your current address and the address where the services will be installed, your phone number, your email address, and your social insurance number, SIN, for credit verification. Speaking of credit verification, Rogers, like most service providers, will conduct a credit check to assess your eligibility for their services. This is a standard procedure and helps them determine your creditworthiness. If your credit score is low, you may be required to pay a deposit or choose a prepaid plan. Once your account is set up, you'll need to schedule installation. This is where things can vary depending on the services you've chosen. If you're getting internet and cable TV, a technician will likely need to come to your home to install the equipment. They'll ensure everything is set up correctly and that you're getting the best possible signal. For mobile plans, you may be able to activate your service remotely, or you may need to visit a store to pick up your SIM card. Rogers will provide you with clear instructions on how to activate your service. Before the technician arrives, make sure you have a clear pathway to the location where the equipment will be installed. This will help expedite the process and ensure a smooth installation. After the installation is complete, take some time to familiarize yourself with the equipment and the services you've subscribed to. Rogers provides user guides and online resources to help you get started. Don't hesitate to contact Rogers customer support if you have any questions or encounter any issues. They're available 24/7 to assist you with any technical problems or billing inquiries. Now, let's talk about some tips and tricks to make the process even smoother. First, take advantage of promotional offers and bundles. Rogers frequently offers discounts and special deals for new customers. These can include free installation, discounted monthly rates, or even free equipment. Second, consider bundling your services. Bundling your internet, cable TV, and mobile plans can often save you money and simplify your billing. Third, read the fine print. Pay close attention to the contract terms, including any early termination fees or data overage charges. Fourth, keep track of your account information. Make sure you have your account number, login credentials, and contact information readily available. Fifth, don't be afraid to negotiate. Rogers representatives may be willing to offer you a better deal if you ask. And finally, consider your long-term needs. While a promotional offer might seem appealing in the short term, make sure the plan you choose aligns with your long-term needs and budget. Also, consider setting up automatic payments. This can help you avoid late fees and ensure your service is never interrupted. It's also worth noting that Rogers is constantly updating their plans and offerings. So, it's always a good idea to check their website or contact them directly for the most up-to-date information. The key takeaway here is to be prepared, to be informed, and to ask questions. Don't be afraid to reach out to Rogers customer support for assistance. They're there to help you navigate the process and ensure you get the best possible service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.